The Cook Tools 3-piece cast iron fry pan set, pre-seasoned, supposedly pre-seasoned. Picked them up from Belks this morning. Found them online. They were on sale there for $14.99. Whenever they had them in stock, so we picked up a bunch, or picked up one package. Getting ready to season them now. The way I like them seasoned. Not, they've been on a boat for so long they ain't rusty. You don't know what kind of oil they used on them. The way I season them is I go ahead and wash them first. They tell you not to wash it with soap. Just use hot water. But I don't know what they used to season them with, so I do it my way. Just preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Coat them in oil and let them cook in the oven for about an hour. Now with these cast iron frying pans, you don't want to soak them in water, so once you've got them seasoned and they're ready to go, you should be able to just wipe them out good. Don't let them sit in the sink for 3 days with water in them, because they will rust up and you'll have to do it all over again. In the past, I bought them used and ended up, even though they're rusted up, ended up bead blasting them, washing them real good and re-seasoning them. That's okay doing if you can pick them up for $1 or $2 at a yard sale. If you like people trying to sell them now, they're trying to sell them for 30, 40, 50 bucks a piece for old used stuff. And that's too much. I bought these because we needed some new ones. We had to ship our old ones to the Philippines once we move over there. So I bought these ones to just use here while I'm still in the States for however long my business takes. So you're going to rub them up with some whatever kind of oil you want. Corn oil, safflower, lard. And stick them in the oven for about 350 degrees for about an hour. Thank you.